Welcome back to Finance for Beginners. Today's video will show you how you can install the Chase Bank or JPMorgan application on your smartphone. So let's get started. First, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Then from the homepage, tap on the search option. You can now type in Chase or JPMorgan and initiate your search. Once you find the application for Chase Mobile by JPMorgan Chase, you can tap on this. You can find the application info within this page and also reviews and testimonials by users. Tap on the install button to begin the installation. If you see an auto open toggle, you may enable it and the application will automatically launch once the installation is done. When you open up the application, you may go through the terms and conditions and tap on accept. You will be asked to allow your location access, so go ahead and provide it. Now you will need to enter your credentials to continue. So that is how you can install the JPMorgan Chase application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.